Hey, what's up guys? Practical Web Dev here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a responsive or embed a responsive YouTube video into a web page, because it can be kind of a pain in the butt if you don't know what you're doing. Now, the first thing that I'm going to tell you right off the bat is if you're trying to do like a 2-column layout where you want some text here and then the YouTube video here, and to make it responsive and look good on every screen size, I recommend you don't try that, because it's really honestly a pain in the butt to do, and there's really no good solution for it. The best way to make a responsive YouTube video is to make it in one single section, make it like take up one single column or section of the website on its own, and just have it there. So just to show you like a good example, I just built this. I just built a landing page. Shameless plug, this landing page is for my complete web developer full stack course, but I need to show you how I did this. If you're going to include a YouTube video, which is a very good thing to do, whether it's on a portfolio, you're trying to sell a product, whatever you're trying to do, it's always a great idea to show your face and actually have video on your website or your landing page. So good idea. You're already on the right track. The easiest way to do it, see, if you try to do it up here and then put the video over here, it's just really difficult. It's really hard to do. I wouldn't recommend it. I recommend just doing a single column layout for your video, where you just have the whole section be your video. It's better that way anyway, because there's more to focus on. It's just your video. People are more likely to click on it because it's just one section. It's right in their face. So I'm going to show you how to do this, and then if we resize it, it'll stay, no matter what size screen on mobile, tablet, or whatever, it'll be perfect ratio. It'll look good. It'll be ready to go. So that's your first tip. Just make it its own section. Don't try to do something where you make it side by side with other stuff. It's a bad idea. It's just really hard to do. Next, I'm going to show you how to actually do it. So what we're going to do in here is let's just go to YouTube, and I'll just embed one of my own videos. So I'm going to go to my channel, and let's embed this one here, me making the landing page that we're viewing. So if you want to learn HTML and CSS, or you're struggling, this is a great video to watch if you want to learn HTML and CSS, how to break down a design and make a real landing page that's actually going to be launched on the internet and actually sell a real product. This isn't like a joke product. But anyway, so what I'll do, I want to embed this video. I'm going to right click. I'm going to say copy embed code, and then we're going to go down here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a container. So I'm going to make a div of YT video. So put it in a div, and then I'm going to copy and paste it. Now when you paste it, it's going to be in an iframe tag, and that's okay. The first thing that you have to do is you have to get rid of, see how there's a default height and width, and I'll show you on our screen. I'm on live server. I'm using Visual Studio Code. This is what the video is going to look like raw. So I have this black border is a container class that I have around all the content in the page, just so you can see where it is. And this looks way too big. It'll play, but that's not what you want it to be. It's too big. It doesn't look good. So what we have to do, what's causing that height and width to be so big is these attributes, height and width on the iframe. Let's get rid of those. Those are default from YouTube. Get rid of those and save, and now your video is much smaller, but now we have to make it responsive, because we want to make it 100% of whatever the width of the screen is inside the container so that it looks good. So to do that, we're going to put a class on here, and I'm just going to call it video. All right, and then I have my CSS and HTML all together in one page here, so I'm going to go up to my CSS, and the first thing I'm going to do is select my YT video class. So I'm going to copy paste that. We'll say .yt video, and then I'm going to say text align center and save, and that should center the video on the page, and it does. So it's now centered in there because it has a little container div, right? So that's half the battle. Now we need to make it so that it doesn't look so small, because we want it to be bigger, right? So to do that, we're going to select the video class that we put on our YouTube video that we embedded. Say .video. And we're going to use a property in CSS called aspect ratio, aspect-ratio, and we're going to say 16 space /9, 16:9 ratio, save, and then we're going to go down here and we're going to say width 100%, so it's always 100% of whatever the container is that it's in, and then we're going to make sure that it always obeys that no matter what, so we're going to say important. All right, so when you do that, now your video will always be 100% of whatever container it's in, and it'll be in the 16:9 ratio, which is like the normal ratio for HD video to be in. So it's like it'll give you a perfect rectangle, and it'll be in HD video no matter what screen size. That's basically what aspect ratio does. And now it's responsive, and you'll be good to go. So again, as long as you're just trying to make a simple single column layout for your video, this is the way to go. All right, aspect ratio, put it in a container, text line center, use aspect ratio width 100%. And aspect ratio, it's been around for a little bit. It's still fairly new to CSS, but if you go to caniuse.com, you can see here that aspect ratio property. We're green. Green means good. It pretty much works in every modern browser, no problem. So it's fine to use. It only doesn't work in Internet Explorer, but Internet Explorer has been dead since 2013 or sooner when they stopped making that a thing. So if somebody's still on Internet Explorer somehow, oh well. But everything else is very well supported. So it's a great way to make your videos mobile responsive. Again, guys, one more shameless plug. If you want to learn all of this full stack development, learning PHP and JavaScript and everything else, go ahead and check out the link in the description for completewebdevcourse.com. For $20 a month, you can start learning full stack web development. Every video is short and concise. There's 426 lessons, but don't let that scare you, because most videos are 5 minutes or less, so that you can get everything in bite-sized chunks and learn at a very good pace. This is also a project-based course, so there's no boring theory. We literally learn everything by actually building projects right away. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.